creativity. Too many of us think it's this magical and mysterious thing bestowed upon some special people like artists and poets and designers. What bollocks! Creativity is for all of us, no matter who you are or what you do. You know what else is a load of bollocks? We think creativity is just for the creative parts of life. Bollocks, I tell you, sheer bollocks. Creativity is for all and every area of our lives. My name is Rich Armstrong. I founded TapTapKaboom in 2015 so I could teach people the stuff I knew in ways I wish people had taught me. And as I've learned new stuff, I've taught new stuff. Now, the most fundamental thing I wish somebody had taught me in a short and fun way is what creativity is, how it works, and how to use it. So that's what this 5-day mini course covers. Each day will take roughly 15 minutes, and over the 5 days, I'll take you through 5 important lessons that will replace the bollocksy ideas you may have about creativity with ones that empower you. I'll also give you 5 exercises to practice your creativity with. You'll have fun, you'll challenge yourself, and you'll come alive. So, come take this course. It's free, it's short, and there's even confetti and dancing. So if you're keen, if you're interested, follow this URL and enroll now.